In the desert, water has never been more precious. To help conserve, Tucson Skyline Country Club uses reclaimed water to keep its golf course green.
It's gone through a cleaning process and it's suitable to water grass.
With support from the National Science Foundation, University of Arizona civil engineer Kevin Lansey and colleagues are working to redesign this area's water supply infrastructure to help communities meet growing water demands while using less energy and improving water quality.
In the city of Tucson, the long-term projections are that we'll be using up our potable supply, our quote, fresh water in probably 2030 or so. So we need to be able to transition to other sources.
Reclaimed water is one source, using partially treated water for irrigation and industry, and conserving groundwater and water from the Colorado River for drinking and bathing. But pumping that reclaimed water long distances is expensive.
This facility is a wastewater reclamation facility. We treat up to 41 million gallons a day. The raw sewage enters this site just adjacent to me. It runs into a launder trough that enters into this pump station over here.
Lansey is working with facility managers and government planners to rethink how water resources move around Tucson, including what's known as the purple pipe system that pumps treated but non-potable water where it is needed.
Now, as that area out there on the east side and southeast of Tucson actually begins to grow, smaller wastewater treatment facilities in that area can then provide reclaimed source, alleviates all that pumping, all that distance, all that strain on the infrastructure to get it there.
Here in Arizona, the future certainly looks dry, but the desert Southwest is not alone. Drought, development, and climate change loom large in the coming years. The federal government says 36 states will experience water shortages in the next 5 years. Replacing water supply systems can be an expensive, decades-long process.
I think everyone out here is well aware that we need to be looking for that next bucket and seeing how we're going to be able to do that in an efficient way with limited environmental and social impacts.
Lansey also develops computer models designed to help water managers throughout the Southwest best plan for the future. With challenges like drought and climate change, he wants to make sure we make the most of every single drop. For Science Nation, I'm Miles O'Brien.